in schools. We provide educational services. We have been doing this project that is called Fabrica de Histórias. It means Stories Factory for 6 years now. But this is the first time that the project goes abroad and we are reaching foreign students. So with this new sub-project called Stories from Here and Beyond, we are trying to make an interchange, cultural, educational, between students of several countries, Portugal and now Goa in India. And the process is every time the same. We have several tasks that are developed by students in school. This time it was different because it was this interchange. So, Indian students wrote a story, Portuguese students wrote a story. Then they changed the stories. The stories, as we said, they flew to faraway destinations and they were illustrated by their colleagues in the other country. They also made a film about the theme of the story. As you know, it's water pollution and the sea animals, and they now having all the writing and all the illustrations and the movie too. Finally, we had today the final project, the final of the project, that is Real, the book, and the DVD as well with the movie. We are really happy to be doing this, not only in our country but now have the possibility to put kids together, students together from different countries. They can really know each other. And they asked me about how is school different from here and in Portugal. I think school is similar. It's really similar. The schedule of the school, it's different because we have different seasons. The holidays are in different periods. But the students are the same. Teachers teach in the same way. We have a lot to go along. We have to introduce several changes in education. They are needed. This project works in with pedagogical projects. It means that we, besides having the students divided by units, several teachers, several subjects, we can also introduce projects where kids can learn doing. And this is the main reason and the main goal of this project, Fabrica de Histórias / Histórias daqui and dali, Stories from Here and Beyond.
I'm Portuguese of born origin. I'm living here for 20 years. So that has always been my aim to, whatever I do in my work, whether it is in movies, whether it is in children, I always try to bring them together. So this is just one more project that I managed to bring them together. It's very important for them to share their culture with the Portuguese, the same way they are sharing their culture here with our kids. That's how we learn, that's how we open our minds to other cultures, right?
It's the first time I have collaboration. This is
Yes. This is the project. It's like a pilot project, right? We had some difficulty because the academic year in Portugal and here is different. But we want to do this. We want to take this further. The name of the project is Stories from Here and Beyond. So there will always be a here and there will always be a beyond, which doesn't specifically has to be only with Portugal and Goa. I want to try and reach to other countries as well. So we are thinking maybe of Mozambique, Timor, maybe other parts of India, and we will always try to use the language of that country. Now, in this case, we used Konkani and Hindi, right? Konkani because of us, Hindi because we want to reach to other children of India. But imagine if we go to, I don't know, to Timor, then we'll put it in Tetum and Portuguese. Okay, so it will always be at least 2 to 3 languages.
For the students of the Auxilium High School to be in touch with their students in the Portugal. This hardly at this tender age they are the writers. Their stories will be published in the books. The Portuguese students are going to read the stories written by the Auxilium and illustrated by this school. This is the hard work of the teacher, and this will go into building up the good relationship between our students and Portugal. Yeah, academically this school is very good. They're having they are at SSC level. They are on the top, and all cares are being taken by the school management and other NGOs which are associated with this school.